Welcome to today's episode where we dive into the dynamic world of Kansas City real estate and share expert insights from the front lines, brought to you by Alpine Property Management. Whether you're an experienced investor, a new property owner, or someone looking to buy or sell in Kansas City, this guide is packed with essential information to help you navigate the market effectively. Kansas City's real estate market is unique, with a mix of historic neighborhoods, bustling urban developments, and tranquil suburban areas. Understanding these diverse markets is key to making informed decisions, and that's where Alpine's local expertise comes into play. We have a deep understanding of the factors that drive value in each area, from economic trends to community developments, and we use this knowledge to advise our clients on where and when to invest. Let's start with what every property owner and investor needs to know about Kansas City's real estate landscape. The city is experiencing growth in several key areas, such as the tech industry and manufacturing, which boosts demand for both residential and commercial properties. Locations near major employers, public transport routes, and essential amenities are particularly appealing. Identifying these hotspots early can yield significant returns on investment as the areas develop and mature. Another important aspect to consider is the rental market. Kansas City has a robust rental sector, with a diverse tenant base that includes young professionals, families, and retirees. For property owners, this means a steady demand for rental properties, but it also means there's a need for strategic property management to attract and retain good tenants. Alpine Property Management specializes in optimizing property appeal through targeted marketing, meticulous maintenance, and top-notch tenant services, ensuring your investment remains competitive and profitable. Investing in real estate isn't just about purchasing property, it's also about enhancing and managing that property effectively. At Alpine, we provide full-service management, from handling day-to-day operations to advising on long-term strategic enhancements that can increase a property's value over time. Whether it's upgrading fixtures, improving energy efficiency, or adding amenities that attract tenants, we have the expertise to guide these decisions. Now, if you're looking to sell, our We Buy Houses program offers a quick, straightforward solution. We understand that sometimes you need to sell fast due to financial reasons, changes in personal circumstances, or because you're ready to invest elsewhere. Alpine buys houses directly, offering fair prices and fast closings. We handle all aspects of the sale, making the process as hassle-free as possible for you. This service is ideal for those who want to sell without the uncertainties of the market. A vital component of real estate investment is understanding the timing of the market. Kansas City, like any urban center, experiences cycles in real estate values influenced by economic conditions, demographic shifts, and governmental policies. At Alpine, we keep our finger on the pulse of these changes, providing our clients with timely insights that can influence buying, selling, and renovation decisions. Knowing when to act is just as important as knowing what actions to take, and our team ensures you're well equipped with both sets of knowledge. Moreover, diversification within your real estate portfolio is another strategy we emphasize. Kansas City offers a variety of property types and investment opportunities, from single-family homes in residential neighborhoods to commercial properties in the downtown core. By diversifying your investments, you can mitigate risks associated with market volatility and increase the stability of your income streams. Alpine assists in assessing potential properties to ensure they fit within your broader investment goals and complement your existing portfolio. Tenant management is another area where Alpine excels. The success of rental properties hinges on the quality of tenants and the community you build within your properties. We employ a comprehensive tenant screening process that goes beyond just credit scores and rental history. We look at the bigger picture, including stability and fit with the community, to ensure high tenant retention rates and reduce turnover costs. Once tenants are in place, Alpine provides continuous support and engagement initiatives that keep tenants satisfied and invested in maintaining their homes, which in turn benefits the property owners. In terms of property upkeep and enhancement, Alpine does not take a one-size-fits-all approach. Each property is unique, and our maintenance plans are tailored to the specific needs and potential of each property. Whether it's periodic upgrades to keep a property competitive in the market or urgent repairs, our management team handles all aspects of property maintenance with efficiency and attention to detail. Our proactive approach not only preserves, but often enhances the value of the properties we manage, ensuring they remain desirable to current and potential tenants. We also understand the importance of leveraging technology and managing real estate effectively. Alpine Property Management utilizes advanced property management software that integrates all aspects of property management, from tenant screening to lease management, maintenance requests, and financial reporting, into a seamless, easy-to-navigate system. This technology enables property owners to have real-time access to information about their investments, providing peace of mind and facilitating better decision-making. Lastly, let's touch upon the value of having a trusted partner like Alpine in your corner. The complexities of real estate investment can be daunting, especially in a market as dynamic as Kansas City. Alpine's team of experts is here to navigate these complexities with you. We provide personalized service that considers your specific needs, investment goals, and the unique characteristics of your properties. This tailored approach ensures that every decision is strategic and informed, maximizing your potential for success. Thank you for joining us for this detailed look into how you can navigate Kansas City real estate with confidence and expertise, backed by the comprehensive support of Alpine Property Management. If you're ready to take your real estate investments to the next level, we're here to help every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on real estate management and investment strategies. With Alpine Property Management, your properties are not just managed, they are optimized for maximum performance and return. Let's navigate this journey together and transform your real estate goals into achievements.